Mortality doesn't announce itself. It arrives quietly, a whisper that this moment will never come again. In Japanese, there's an idiom, Ichi-Go Ichi-E, one time, one meeting. It's the understanding that no encounter can ever be repeated. Even if you sit across from the same person tomorrow, you'll both be different. Time have moved forward. This version of you right now will never exist again. Naturally, we want to repeat the best part of life, to eat our favorite meals again, to relive moments that are long gone, to hold on to people who made them matter. But Ichi-Go Ichi-E offers no such comfort. Not the street corner at golden hour, not the conversation that meanders nowhere and everywhere, not the night that made you forget to check the time. And yet, this isn't meant to burden us. It's a reminder that this is it. Even if you return, even if you stand in the exact same spot next year, it won't be this moment, because time doesn't preserve versions, only traces. Impermanence is what gives these moments their weight. Because they won't last, they demand to be felt fully. In the end, we are mortal travelers, sharing a fleeting encounter on a rock, drifting through infinite space. And because it's temporary, because we can't hold on to it, it's everything. Ichi-Go Ichi-E, one time, one meeting.